Hello everyone, welcome to the course Manufacturing Processes 1. Let's discuss about lathe. In this video we'll see about a numerical example being asked in university examinations for 6 marks based on determining angle of swivel for compound rest while doing taper turning. So this is a problem statement. This example has been asked in university examinations for 6 marks in May 2015 in Pune University examinations. The problem statement is to determine the angle at which the compound rest would be swiveled for cutting a taper on workpiece having a length of 150 mm and outside diameter 80 mm. The smallest diameter on the taper end of the rod should be 50 mm. And the required length of the taper portion is 80 mm. This is important. That the original diameter of the workpiece is 80 mm maximum diameter, and it has to be reduced to 50 mm at the other end. Here two types of lengths has been given. The total length of the workpiece is 150 mm, out of which 80 mm length we want to taper turn. That is important. So let's see what has been given in this problem. The given data suggests D1, let's say, higher diameter 80 mm, the lower diameter on the other end about 50 mm. The length to be taper turned is 80 mm out of total length of 150 mm. This is important to be kept in mind while solving the numerical. So with usual notations, we have D1 80 mm, D2 50, and length of the job is 80 mm. So as we know, the basic difference between straight turning and taper turning is we need to swivel the compound rest so that the cutting tool which is being fed against the workpiece will move at an angle, and we will be able to achieve more material removal as we progress towards the end. So the angle at which the compound rest has to be swiveled is known as alpha notation, and the basic formula is tan alpha is equals to the original diameter or the maximum diameter to be of the workpiece and the smallest diameter of the workpiece divided by twice the length, twice the cutting length. As in this condition, given numerical, the maximum diameter is 80 mm, the smallest diameter to be achieved after taper turning is 50 mm, divided by twice the length of the job is 80, which gives us tan inverse of this thing is equals to alpha 10.62 degrees. So the compound rest has to be swiveled at 10.62 degrees. See friends, this is a so simple example with just one expression to be used can help us to score about 6 marks. As I showed you, this numerical has been asked in university examination for 6 marks. So it is so easy and simple to score these many marks, 6 marks. Hope you will solve the numerical in university examinations if it appears in the university examinations. All the best. Thanks for watching the video.